Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you on how you can delete a subdomain in Hostinger. This is a step-by-step guide so you can be able to follow easily. Now I am inside the dashboard of my Hostinger right here, and the way that you can go ahead and delete subdomains in Hostinger is by first selecting your website. So basically, all you have to do is to click on websites right here, go ahead and select the website that you want to delete this subdomain of, and right after that you can just go ahead and click on domains. Now inside domains, you can then go ahead and see additional setting called subdomain. You can just go ahead and click on subdomain, and from there you can go ahead and see something like this. You have your subdomain, you have your directory, and lastly right beside that you have the delete button. You can just go ahead and click on the delete button and the subdomain will be removed through your website. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.